Are you obese or diabetic? You may have realized that you experience some difficulties to move around as your agile colleagues. That is because the high fat content in your body imposes too many strains by way of excess impacts. Such excess weight may often be too uncomfortable to bear, not to mention potentially unhealthy. You need not worry though. It is indeed possible for you to upend this situation. You only have to enroll in a suitable diet program. After carrying out some extensive research into the area, we have managed to come up with a system that has proved to be very effective. This is the ketogenic diet. Our ketosis diet reviews hereunder shall endeavor to explain this dietary program in its finest details. We shall examine its entire scope, length, and breadth for you to follow. At the same time, we shall showcase how potentially beneficial this program is for you. What is keto diet? Keto diet is the short form of the ketogenic diet. This is simply a diet that contains plenty of fat and protein, yet poor in carbohydrates. It is primarily intended to induce your body to burn more fat rather than carbohydrates for the sake of furnishing your body with the relevant energy requirements. In the process of so doing, it aids in the shedding of excess weight and fat in the body. What is the 28-day keto challenge? The 28-day keto challenge is a well-crafted plan which is designed to make use of the keto dietary arrangement to shed off your excess weight within 1 calendar month. The plan comprises a 28-day meal plan alongside some 7 guides. These are jointly intended to offer you the step-by-step guide you need to bring about noticeable outcomes. You simply have to follow all the necessary steps faithfully to the end to accrue the desired outcomes. The program is highly challenging and pretty intriguing. You will feel stretched to the core as you undertake the exercise. The good news though is that it is devoid of any adverse side effects and is hence very reliable. What's included in the 28-day keto challenge? Below is the breakdown of the 28-day keto challenge. Number 1, keto diet, the basics. This simply refers to the basics of the diet plan. It lets you know about the tiny details of the plan, like the background, why it was developed, when it came to being, and how it might help you shed excess weight. The basics also contain some 13 tips for the successful execution of the plan, as well as the various kinds of foods you will find truly enjoyable. Number 2, eating on keto. In this second segment of the guide, you will get to know about the 14 dinner recipes, 14 lunch recipes, and the 10 breakfast recipes which you will take in the entire month. Also accompanying these recipes is a 28-day meal plan calendar. This is a breakdown of when exactly you will take each meal above. Number 3, ketosis, tips for staying in ketosis. These tips will let you know how to trigger ketosis in just under 3 days. At the same time, the tips will let you know how to tell if you are in ketosis and the things you have to stay away from if you want the best of the best outcomes. Number 4, macros, a micro look at macronutrients. While undertaking this diet, you will often have to furnish your body with just the right nutrients. This macro is a calculator with which you can calculate the macros which you require to maintain the most desirable ratios at any given time. By making these calculations and adhering to them faithfully, you will be able to stay well in ketosis. Number 5, keto flu, beating it in a healthy way. It is not uncommon for many people to experience the keto flu while on this dietary arrangement. This component of the dietary plan shall define to you what the keto flu is and how you might make it disappear faster using the keto flu remedy. At the same time, it also highlights the various symptoms of this condition to prepare you adequately for them. Number 6, intermittent fasting, tips for success. Part of this diet plan is intermittent fasting. To make these fasting successfully, this component of the diet plan comes in. It lets you learn about the 5 different styles of intermittent fasting you will need to kickstart ketosis and to also accelerate fat loss. These are accompanied by the various do's and don'ts. Number 7, keto and friends, dealing with social pressures. Lastly, your friends, members of your inner circles, and colleagues at large will from time to time ostracize, jeer, mock, or express their disapproval with your plan. This last component will prepare you appropriately for these undesirable reactions. You will learn how to deal with various social pressures and handle alcohol. 28-day keto diet results and benefits. Below are the potential benefits of the keto diet. Lighter and thinner. As a first, you will be lighter and thinner than you were before you commenced the dietary plan. Many people who have attempted this plan before have noted an average loss of 20 pounds of weight within the first month. More energy. Also, you will experience a heightened rate or levels of energy in your body. You will be stronger, tougher, and firmer than you were at the commencement of the exercise altogether. This will give you the impetus to handle all of your chores with a relative. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys again next time with the next video that I do.